how to add phone number to your Steam account. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you add phone number to your Steam account. So let's get started. So on this process, firstly you will have to open your Steam account on your browser. So after opening the Steam account on your browser, you will look such interface. So from here you will have to click on your username. It will just appear at the top right corner of the screen. So simply click on it. And now from here, from the drop down, you will have to go with the options account details. So simply you have to go with account details. All right. So now from here, you'll have to little bit scroll down and find the sections like contact info. And on that contact info section, you will got the options to add a phone number. So simply you have to go with that option. So simply click on that. And now from here, you can add a phone number. So from here, you have to set your country code and enter your phone number on the text box. So simply after adding the phone number on your text box, you will have to click on next. All right. So after you add the phone number on that text box, you will got such interface and you will get an email to your email ID. So from there, you have to confirm that that number will official phone number to link with your Steam account. So you have to confirm it from here. And after that, you will have to click on that next. After that, the code will be sent to that phone number whom you have added. So simply enter that code on the text box. So after entering that code, you have to click on this next option. Alright, so now we are done. You have successfully added a phone number to your Steam account. So this is the easiest and simplest method to add a phone number to your Steam account. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.